Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable emergency alerts on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the safety and emergency tile. And then scroll all the way to the bottom where it says wireless emergency alerts and select that. So then at this point, you can toggle the top option on or off if you want to allow or disable all alerts. You also may want to scroll down and just turn off specific alerts or items in here that you would rather not have alerts for. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.